is how simple sand turns into transparent glass bottles.
Inside this factory, molten glass becomes perfect glass bottles.
Glass production begins with high-quality silica sand.
The sand is mixed with soda ash and limestone carefully. The mixed raw materials are transported directly into the furnace. Inside the furnace, materials are heated above 1500 degrees Celsius. The intense heat transforms the mixture into molten liquid glass. The molten glass flows smoothly through temperature-controlled channels. Precise machines cut the molten glass into measured portions. The glowing glass portions enter molds to form bottle shapes. Compressed air expands the glass to match the bottle mold. Newly formed bottles move forward while still extremely hot.
The bottles enter an annealing oven for controlled cooling.
Slow cooling prevents cracks and strengthens the glass structure.
Each bottle is inspected carefully for defects or imperfections.
Automated systems scan every bottle for precision and quality.
The bottles are delivered to beverage factories for filling.
The finished bottles are washed thoroughly before packaging. High-speed air systems dry the bottles completely. Defective bottles are automatically removed from the production line. Robotic systems stack packaged bottles onto shipping pallets.
Forklifts load the pallets onto trucks for delivery.
The packaged bottles are stored inside the factory warehouse. These bottles are finally filled and sent to stores worldwide.